All right, boys and girls, welcome to Go on Guitar and to Wish Wednesday. All right, it's Wednesday. You wish for songs, and I highlight one or maybe two sometimes. And this time we have you, Mr. Sterich, maybe. You wish for a song from ASTN. It's called Ready. All right, so Ready. It's a 4-chord song. It goes in the same way through the entire song. Great scenario. So let's go into this. ASTN song called Ready. All right, so you have to prepare with a capo on the 4th fret. That's the absolute best scenario for us. And when that is done, you are ready for this song and for the chords coming up. So let's go over them. We're gonna start with a B minor 7. That's a bar chord. So you place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings. If you count from bottom and up like this, then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. Next chord is the C major 7. So it goes 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is E minor. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. And that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so we have this melody going on, and I'm going to take you through this chord by chord. And by the way, the chord progression will be in the same order we learned the chords. So B minor to C major to E minor to D. So let's start with the B minor part first. And I suggest to hold the chord as it is. You're going to play this part. Alright, so you start with the standard grip for B minor 7. And you play 2nd fret A, then 4th D. And then you pick the 2nd G and 3rd B together. And then you hammer on to get the 5th fret B string. A little bit stretchy, but if you think about it, you have 1 finger per fret there. So you should be able to reach out with a little pinky. Each and every finger has 1 there. So you go from 3rd B to 5th B like that. Okay? So that is the B minor 7 part. Slowly goes like this. Okay, then you go into the C major. You just pick this. Okay, so it's 3rd fret A together with 2nd D, open G, and open B. If you think that is too many strings to handle in the same way, the important string here is the bass, the 3rd fret A string, and the open B. So it could be enough to just pick these two together. Anyway, if you give more strings there, it will be bigger volume, bigger sound to it, so it will sound pretty much better, in my opinion. So if you can, pick all 4 strings together like that. Okay, then you have a little longer pause between the C major and the E minor before you play this E minor part, and it goes like this. That's it. So what I do here, I place a short little bar on the 2nd fret and I push down the D and the G string. These are the strings you're going to use here. So 2nd D and 2nd G, and then I hammer on to get the 4th D. 4th G. So from 2nd G to 4th G. That's okay. So E minor part was 2nd D, then 2nd G, and hammer on to 4th G. Okay, and that's the E minor part. And the final D part is simply to pick open D and 2nd G together. That's it. So from the beginning, you have the B minor into the C major, then the E minor, and D. So together. And notice I'm having a clap after the C major and after the D. So clap, 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 clap. All right. right, so there's the melody part. You can also play this with strumming, and this is my interpretation of it. You can play it obviously in different ways since we don't have any obvious strumming pattern in this song. So this is one way to go. It could sound something like this. Okay, so what are we playing? We have a string pattern that is divided into two different parts. So part 1 for B minor will be down, down, up, clap. So down, down, up, clap. And then you immediately go to the C major, part 2, and play down, and then short pause, and then down, clap, down. And then you follow the same pattern for E minor and D. So E minor is played in the same way as B minor, down, down, up, clap, and then D in the same way as the C major, down, down, clap, down. And that, my friends, is how you handle accents ready. So this was Wish Wednesday. And you, Mr. Sterry, you took the chance, and here's your song. And I really recommend you to leave a comment. Perhaps you have a favorite song you want to learn, to play something for someone else, some special one, or just for your own sake. Then feel free to leave a comment here. I read everything, and I bring up 1 or 2 songs for Wednesdays. So that's the deal. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Until next time, play tuned.